Hey guys, Tristan here. In today's video, we're going to discuss how we can set an image so that when they click like on Facebook, they're going to see a specific image which will boost our brand and make other people interested in reading what their friends have shared. So to go about that training, let's go into the screen. Okay, so now we're now in our screen. So first we're going to go to our favorite image editor. In my case, it's Adobe Photoshop CS5. So I've already selected an image that I would like to be our Facebook shared image. So this is the basically the raw image that I want to use when somebody puts my website or the link of my website on Facebook. This image will be attached to it. So what I'm going to do is, of course, this is actually a large resolution image. It's about 1300 something by 720, I believe. So it's a high resolution picture, and I wouldn't want, Facebook would, they would decrease it, but it's too heavy. So we're going to make it a little bit more web friendly, so that doesn't take too long to load the image. So what you can do is you're gonna select the whole thing, alright, Control A, and then edit, copy, or Control C, and we're going to create a new image. And in the dimensions, let's create a square image. So let's select 232 by 232. So as you can see, image size will greatly decrease. Okay, so let's click OK, and now we have a square image, and we're going to paste the image we had before. Now obviously it's too large to fit that square space, so we're going to transform the image, edit, transform, scale, and we're going to hit this little chain here to maintain the aspect ratio. Alright, so that when you change the width, the height will remain the same. So keeps that image proportion, doesn't make it look weird. So we're going to make this around 50% and see how far that goes. Alright, still a bit too big. Let's try 25%. And it's too small, so I'm going to hit Control Z. So I'm gonna, it's too large for me to do that, so I'm going to hit Control Z. I'm going to transform again. So more or less it's about, say, 45%. And since we've hit the lock key here, so if you just drag this down, you can actually get a good feel to it. So it's like I could actually move my image to the side. So hit enter, and it's fixed there. So we now have a square image, 232 pixels wide by 232 pixels high. And now we're going to save it. So let me just save this as a ping file. Tristan. No, ping is, we'll make it too large. JPEG, I mean. So I made one before, but for the sake of this tutorial, hit save. Quality wise, see, it's 76.3 KB, which is not bad. Hit OK. Now we have our image. So what we're going to do next is load it to our server. So that was simple as going to our WordPress dashboard and going under media, add new. So here we're going to hit select file, and we are going to choose our image. So I choose Tristan.jpg, so open that. So it's now uploading it. Now all we need here, okay, so there was a duplicate. Now all we need here is the location of our file. So we're gonna copy that, Control C, and now we're going to go to Appearance and Editor. Okay, now in our editor we're going to select our header.php. As you can see, that's the header.php, so I'm going to click that. And in our header.php, we're going to look for the line wp-head. So I'm going to put it in this area before the /head. So this is our header area. So we're going to type a bit of code here. Please feel free to write this down. Okay, it's slash open bracket meta property equals OG colon. Now OG is actually Open Graph. For just a little info, Facebook uses Open Graphs, so we're basically setting a variable, an OG variable, as an image, and content would be the source of that image, and that's why we needed the location of the file, and close bracket there. Now we're gonna hit update file. Okay, now our header.php is now uploaded properly. Now we're going to go to Facebook. Now developer.facebook.com/tools/debug. Alright, okay, we're in the developer's website. Now we're going to need the tools debug. Yeah, so this is the debugger tool. So rather than wait for Facebook to crawl our website and get the header image, what we're going to do is we're going to force them to crawl our website and get our header image, which is much better for time. So what we're going to do is we're going to hit our website address here, enter our URL, hit debug, and wait for it to load. So we're now actually forcing them to crawl, and as you can see, the image that we've uploaded just a while ago, they've crawled it, they've seen it. Alright, now let's show it to you. Okay, if I hit my URL here and Facebook's gonna load it, we now have specified that this is the image we want when we put this URL. Now, ain't that cool? So yeah, that's basically it. I hope you enjoyed this this part of the tutorial. So let's go back out of this screen. Okay, that's how we can set a specific image so that when somebody clicks like on Facebook or shares your post, the image that we want others to see will be shared. No more random images. It's a specific image that people will see. Now, additional points to consider when using this method is that you can actually split test which images will gather the most traffic or the most attention from your friends, the friends of your viewers, basically. So the fun part is like try to split. A split test can be done by like select an image for a week, see how much traffic that gets, change it for the next week, see how much traffic that gets, and of course the one that gets the most traffic will be the image that you will use. So colors, you have to consider colors, and there's neuro-linguistic programming. See which colors attracts your viewers the most. So that's gonna be in your split test. So if you like this video and have questions, feel free to send an email to questions@tristanazcona.com. And if you enjoyed this video and would like to receive more updates on similar videos, feel free to opt into my list. Thanks for watching. This is Tristan Azcona, and I hope to see you soon.